trip, I just want to say congratulations on graduating Starbase. You all are amazing, and I wish you the best in your future endeavors. Bye, guys.
Hey, Starbase graduates. It's Luna here. Here is some advice from the moon. Live life to the fullest. Be someone to look up to. Don't be fazed by difficulties. Take time to reflect and light up the night. Happy graduation!
Hey Starbase cadets, hey, congratulations on graduating from Starbase. Wish you the best. One of the things is always push the limits, and one of my favorite quotes is from Aaron and Senna. I'm really into racing, so I'd like to share his quote with you, and he says, as soon as you touch this limit, something happens and you suddenly can go a little bit further. With your mind power, your determination, your instinct, and the experience as well, you can fly very high. Aaron and Senna said that. Congratulations, guys. See ya.
Hey cadets, this is Kat. I just want to congratulate you on making it through all 5 weeks. And remember, you guys are amazing. You just might be the next astronaut that goes into outer space.
Guys, it's Ant-Man here. Congratulations on getting through all 5 days of Starbase. It was great having you guys. I can't wait to see what you do in the future, especially with STEM. And just remember that you are out of this world. But I'm going to try and use some of that gas and have it put out my fire.
If it lands on the plane, that still counts.
You did.
Does that count?
Congratulations on graduating from Starbase. I hope to see you on your next space adventure. Bye! It's great. Congratulations on your graduation. I really hope that this is one of many, many graduations to come for each of you. You've spent the last 25 hours here at Starbase working on STEM and learning how to be a good friend and a good teammate. And I will tell you that the power of teamwork is that working together is like tiny little stars. You light up the universe when you work together, but when you do it individually, there's no light. So continue to learn about STEM, continue to work together, and continue to let your light shine bright.